A little girl lies in her bed so fair, with a kitten beside her, a dog in her care. Breakfast is set, flowers bloom in the corn. Morning arrives with a gentle charm. Hands clasped together, she whispers a prayer, while the butterflies' eyes twinkle everywhere. Dewy pastures of green, still waters below, serene and tranquil, the sun in its glow. At the top of the sky, where the bluebirds fly, on a cloud sits a throne for the king on high. In a palace of light, where angels abide, there she sits on his lap, his child and his bride. I think she prays